Hi, this is Brian Garza. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to enter time for multiple employees in a particular unit in FM Track. First off, when you start FM Track, this is the main screen that you usually see. You're going to want to do is go, instead of from work orders, go down to time cards. Click on time cards, and there's going to be two buttons of interest here. It's pretty easy. Basically, log on FM Track, go to time cards, click these two buttons. So the first one is manager screen. Let's put that over here. Next one is manager time entry. That one takes a second or two to open up. Okay. Once we have that, we can kind of put these into our area of focus here. At least this is how I like to do it. Now, you want to have a unit of choice, of course. Let's say P4, which is Parnassus Engineers. You can see a summary here by day of each employee, as well as summary of their pay period right here on the right side. Now, ideally, I imagine you want 8 hours per employee per day. If it's not for work orders, then maybe for vacation or for sick time. Now, in order to find out how to enter that time, we're going to go over here to admin time entry. We're going to pick P4. Same employees, right? So say I want to actually put in some vacation hours for vacation time here for Don Carpenter, Warren Welch, and Gary Guest. All you need to do is select the hours, which would probably be 8, of course, if they're not here for the entire day. And then all you need to do is click on Add Time to Selected Employees. As soon as you click this button here, which isn't too obvious, it's just above the names, clicking that, I'm not going to click it, of course, but you would. When you click that, you go over here and you refresh this here by pushing refresh. It's going to give you a new summary, which would have these 3 employees listed as 8 hours for this date for this work order. Now, you can go back in time, of course. You can also change work orders depending on your setup, stations, or training, for example. Whatever are the work orders that your staff are following for the day, you're going to want to make sure that you apply hours for those individuals so that when you look at your summary here, you've got the correct amount of hours described for those individuals. So that way, if you get audited in the future, which of course we do, you can always show that the supervisor knew who was here, knew who wasn't here, knew which work they did, and applied those hours accordingly. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to always check in here at the CSC. Okay, thanks for your time.